Good morning, class. So today we are going to discuss about your third unit last lesson, that is the homework. So homework, it is a word we all know and we are daily doing in our daily life. So what is homework and how the homework affecting the children or the kids life? In this lesson we will see. So homework. Generally, homework is given to study. That is, if I teach or if any teacher teach one lesson, then the homework is given so that you can better understand about that lesson, so that you will study the material very detailed. So here, that is, homework is giving to study or to learn better, but limited homework is good for us. But if the limit is exceeded, it will become a burden to the children, and it will that is, the interest of the children will be taken away by giving lots of homework. So many people or many authors saying that the average sixth, that is in 90, in the year of 1999, the average sixth class children homework is increased 50%. That is, in before 1999 there is a homework of 2 pages, then now it is a homework of 3 pages. That is, the 50% of the homework is increased, and the children are facing, that is, the back problems and the hand pains and becoming sick, because they are spending so much time in doing the homework only. There is no another activities for the children. And also what happened is, during that is, for hours and hours we are writing the homework, it will lead to physical problems. That is, if we do the exercise we will be fit and good, but if we keep on sitting and writing the homework for day and night, our obesity comes. That is, the weight of the children or the weight of the child becomes more, because if we have physical exercise we will be fit. If we have no, if we don't have any exercise, then we will become very fat, and after going to colleges some will tease us that you are very fat. So this is also one of the problem of homework. And another one is, that is, the children in some schools or in some colleges, not colleges, mainly in schools, the bags of their the weight of the bags of the children is more than the weight of the body. That is, they are lifting the heavy loads and going to the school. That is, if there is a more homework, there is more materials and there is more books, then the load will be heavy. Then here, the main is, if we keep on writing the homework, it is good for some time. That is, some of the teachers and parents are arguing that giving more homework will help in reading, will help in learning the material better. But one author said that, but that is, for going to higher schools, if the homework is given very much, it will be not be skillful. It will be the waste of time, and the interest on the subject will be gone due to the lots of homework. And again, in now day to day lives, and that is, a mother is working, father is working, and we are going to school. There is no time for spending with family. If the mother and father come in the evening also, after completing our school, we sit, keep on doing the homework, there is no chance of spending with the family. So here the social life of the children also getting disturbed due to the homework. So here all the people and the management are saying that homework should be given in limited way. That is, lots of homework will affect the children or child life. So here, what if, that is, if children spend time with the parents, the children will get some moral values from their parents. But if keep on doing the homework, there is no time to spend with their parents also. And some, that is, if some homework is homework is given even more, then the children should write to till the 12 o'clock of the night, and they should wake up at early morning. So here the no sleep also will be there, good sleep also will be there. And we all know that sleeping is good for health, and if the average person doesn't sleep for 8 hours, then our health will be affected. So the children should not only involve in homework but also in sports and all. But if the homework is given, there is no time for sports, and the children will be that is not fit. And if any sports competitions are there, then the children should be practiced more and more, and there will be a no sleep, and they fall sick. And here some 1995 or 1998, here some most of the people, that is a 50% of the people are, that the children are suffering with back pains, because of that heavy loads they are going, because the books in the bag are very heavy, and it affects the backbone, because the bones of the children are the stage, that is the bones of the children are growing on that time only. If we weigh that heavy loads on the back, our back, then there will be a no growth of the bones, and here the bones will become affected. So here, by all this, we are saying that homework should not be abolished, that is, it should not completely abolished, but it should be limited, that is, a limited homework should be given to the children, so that they become, so that they get interest in the subject, and they also enjoy the subject. And the homework should be creative and interesting, because if they are seeing one book and copying in another book, it is not a use, because some children will sit in front of the television, and they will see and they will write. There is no use of that. The homework should be creative, that is some that is current affairs and all, they should be write essays on that, and interesting, so that the children will focus on only on the homework, and they will do, so that they can learn something or nothing. So this is all about this lesson. So the homework should be limited, it should not be abolished, but it should be limited. By this lesson, we are discussing about homework. So hope you understand. Thank you.